Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm a tech here at Waukesha Mitsubishi for Russ Darrow, and today I'm going to show you some things to look for in terms of your car's battery and how to tell if maintenance is required. So one of the first things to find, and this is usually the most obvious, this car does not have corrosion around the battery terminals. Corrosion it's going to look fuzzy and like a greenish white. If you have a lot of corrosion or pretty much any kind of significant corrosion on your battery terminals, that could be a sign of a weakened battery. And also, if you can, give a wiggle, give a good tug, and anytime that you have any sort of wiggle to these, that will actually cause modules to malfunction, or for the car's computer to think that there's a loss of power or loss of communication with any sort of module throughout the car. And if your car has the display option on your dash or the information center, and you can select battery voltage. Typically your car should run at about 14 volts. Some cars have a recovery mode after you start the engine, and then it goes into a maintenance mode where it may sit at 12.5 or 13 volts. And if you think you might have a battery issue with your car, but yet there's no warning lights or anything, and you have that option on your dash, just drive around for a day. You don't have to, look at it a lot, but get a look at it when you first start the car. Does the battery go up to proper voltage? And while you're driving, and this also goes for cars with the auto stop start feature. If your car is auto stop start, once the car reaches about 12 volts while you're sitting still and the engine is shut off, the car's computer should tell the car to start the engine again so that the voltage does not get too low. I've seen issues with some GM cars where the auto stop start feature is faulty, and it will throw a battery voltage low or below threshold type code if the auto stop start doesn't restart the engine. If you're sitting, say you're sitting at a light for long enough and the battery voltage goes below 12 volts. And one more thing, and this isn't necessarily true for any or every car, but as you're driving at night and you're idling at a stoplight, if you notice that your headlights seem to flicker a little bit, or the brightness, if it goes bright dim with the engine as it's idling, you also may have a voltage problem or a battery problem. And if you have any concerns, please feel to stop by, and we'll check it out and take care of you.